the Class 220 Voyager, sleek, powerful, and built for speed. A symbol of a new era in British rail travel. Introduced in the early 2000s, these high-speed diesel-electric multiple units were designed by Bombardier Transportation and built at their works in Bruges, Belgium, and Wakefield, UK. Between 2000 and 2001, 34 four-car sets were produced, each capable of reaching 125 miles per hour. These trains were built to take over long-distance routes once dominated by aging InterCity, 125 sets and Class 47 hauled stock. Entering service in June 2001, the Voyagers were originally operated by Virgin CrossCountry, who saw them as a modern solution for Britain's sprawling and electrification-limited rail network. Self-powered and agile, the Class 220 could go virtually anywhere without needing overhead wires, an essential quality on many regional and intercity lines. But what made the Voyagers unique wasn't just their performance, it was their technology. Each coach has its own 750 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, providing impressive acceleration and redundancy. If one engine failed, the train could still limp home. Their lightweight aluminium bodies, air conditioning, electronic passenger displays, and plug doors were a massive step forward from the slam door stock of previous decades. Inside, passengers enjoyed airline-style seating, open gangways, and a quieter, more comfortable ride. After the Virgin franchise ended in 2007, the Voyagers passed to Arriva CrossCountry, who still operate them today. They can be seen crisscrossing Britain from Plymouth to Edinburgh, from Manchester to Bournemouth, linking major cities without needing to switch locomotives or worry about electrification gaps. The Class 220 forms part of the wider Voyager family, including the tilting Class 221 Super Voyager and the Class 222 Meridian. While the Class 221s were modified for West Coast and cross-country routes with tight curves, the 220s are pure straight-line power, agile and reliable. Despite being over 2 decades old, the Voyagers remain vital workhorses in the cross-country fleet. They've clocked millions of miles and carried tens of millions of passengers. Though they're showing signs of age, and new bi-mode or electric trains are being explored, the 200s and 20s still hold their own in Britain's high-speed world. So where can you see a Class 220 today? Head to major stations like Birmingham New Street, Bristol Temple Meads, Leeds, Newcastle, or even Edinburgh Waverley, and you'll likely see one pull-in, ready for another long run across the nation. Whether you love them or loathe them, the Class 220 Voyager changed the face of British intercity rail, and they're not done yet. If you enjoyed this journey through railway history, please like this video, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more railway stories from the UK and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the rails.